Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. Got a very short video today that will utilise Canva to demonstrate how to make a YouTube banner. So just before I get into it, if you want to give this platform a go once you've watched the video, then you can do so by clicking the link in the description for it below. So just down below, that will give you access then to a free version of Canva, which you can access and give this all a go and make your YouTube banner. Luckily for us, there's a bunch of presets built into Canva that will allow us to very quickly utilize and make a YouTube banner for, very quickly and very efficiently. So to find them, if you click on the social media icon, so this is obviously the main dashboard for Canva. Once you log in, this is what will appear, and then click on social media, and then you can see, if you scroll to the right a little bit on this list, that most of the kind of YouTube content is here as presets, and there's the banner there as well. Okay, so obviously you could search for YouTube banner as well by typing it in, by create a blank is what you see there. However, when you do that, obviously it appears then in the correct format, shape and size. And then you can see that you've got all of these presets here on the left hand side. So like I say for every video on the channel almost, utilize a preset that's most close to what you want and then evolve it into your needs. That's so much quicker than making something from scratch. However, if you do want to make something from scratch, then go ahead. Now's the time to start doing so. You can just start chucking stuff into there, from this menu here. And then when you render it, that'll ensure that it's the right aspect ratio and pixel count and size for a YouTube banner. Okay, so make sure that you utilize that template at least from scratch, because that'll make sure that it's the right size and shape. What you'll realize as well, the first time I made a YouTube banner, is that when you upload it to YouTube on a desktop or a mobile, in this one, for example, you wouldn't really be able to see the clouds. So it sort of crops it around this middle area here. And it's only actually on a big screen TV or an extremely large monitor that you'd actually be able to see the whole banner. So when you're typing the channel name in and any info, it's highly recommended, you'll see what I mean when you upload it, that you keep it within this center strip. So basically what they've done here, okay, so it's very similar in all of the presets if you look at them, that they've all kept the text and the main sort of call to actions and things like that all in the center. That's really important for a banner, because when your users are browsing your channel on a mobile device or on a desktop, they're only going to see the middle of the image. And like I said, it's only when they're on a big TV that they'll see the whole of it, the image. And like I said, you'll see what I mean when you upload it. So you'll upload this whole thing, and then when you view your channel, you'll only see what's in the white strip, for example. That's why all of these banners have kept all the information central. Okay, so do so. You'll probably need to come back and forth a couple of times. That's what I had to do anyway the first time. When I was making my banner from scratch the first time, I had to sort of upload it, preview the channel, and then sort of make modifications, re-upload it, and go back and forth. It's a little bit fiddly, but it's you'll get there. It's very easy in the end. Once you're done designing your banner, for example, if you're happy with the design that you've got, like this one, you can hit then the share button in the top right hand corner and then download that on whatever device that you're utilizing. Usually as default it goes into your downloads folder, and then you can use that as a PNG, which is recommended, and you can see that the size in pixels is now the recommended YouTube banner size exactly. Okay, so make sure you don't change that, and then hit download, and then that'll give you your banner then, so you can upload it directly to YouTube. So if you're ready to give this a go and design your own banner, click the link in the description below. And if you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more stuff like this, subscribe to the channel and give us a like. And if you've got questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.